Welcome back to Trination X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Eva.
And I'm here with Boxy Charm.
Yay!
It was in my mailbox today, so I didn't even know.
This is getting posted right away for you guys.
So, you know, opening it up, it looks like that, which probably shows everything. And then there's a little bent card.
Yeah, that's kind of like really bent. You guys can see it. It says Glam Vibes Only.
Okay,
Pretty
so
box.
I know I was trying to see what. So this is Hank and Henry. It says love on it, but
Lip Love Luxe lipstick.
Is that the shade? Or hang on, it says satin matte lipstick, but I don't know. Is love the shade? I don't know.
I know, that's weird. It just says love your lips with Lip Love Luxe lipstick. It's like a tongue twister. This luxurious lipstick is decorated in a beautiful shimmer coating that dissolves as it is applied to your lips and is encapsulated in a stunning rubby container. The formula is smooth and leaves a creamy satin finish or moisturizing cream finish. It's normally $18. But yeah, that's weird. It doesn't really say.
It looks pretty.
I'm hoping it's in love.
Then they have, is it Laura Geller?
I know. I
The
don't see it.
volumizing brush, Lash Boss Bold.
It's in black. It says, go the extra mile and give your lashes an enhanced lengthening and curling effect in just a few strokes. Lash Boss lengthening, I was going to say lightning. Mascara offers an incredible, soft, smooth, flexible formula with an exceptional silky feel. It's normally $24.
And then $1 Billion Beauty Sponge. BDB.
Charcoal beauty sponge. This charcoal infused beauty sponge provides the perfect application for any liquid foundation, concealer, or highlighter. The density is perfect for dispensing a controlled amount of product onto the skin. The applicator applies smoothly for a filtered look without the filter, and it's normally $15.
And then I think they give us a choice on one of our items, and of course I like Kate Somerville's
Exfoliator.
Yeah, so box is kind of dented, but that's what I chose just because I'm out of one of them. And
it's normally $85. This is clinically formulated to visibly transform texture and pores in 2 minutes. Kim loves her exfoliants. Kate's signature super facial exfoliates dull, dry surface skin cells to reveal smoother, radiant, pore perfected skin in just 2 minutes.
Okay,
and it goes on.
The last thing says Dip Dot, and it's a pellet. Let me see if I can figure out how to do this.
This is normally $30. This is conjuring the majestic beauty of the natural sweeping Utah canyons. We've been to Utah. Take your look to the next level with dramatic reds, deep oranges, and the rich purples of Zion. Cruelty-free, vegan, talc-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, and mineral oil. Oh, geez.
Well, I'm not going to put it in a giveaway, but I mean, luckily it has, like, I can use the purples, but I don't know, let you do it. Can you do that without spilling it?
So, well, if you
Pinch
hold it
it on
tight,
that side and then-
like this, I don't know if it'll spill.
It's like
in a hot
broken, so
so normally we only put things that are like of good quality, that look perfect. We do our best to put those only in giveaways. Sorry, Kim. But
by the time it gets to you guys, it'll probably be all over the place.
And I like their inspiration came from an actual
But I can use the pinks and purples,
elements.
so that's good. But that one over there is broken. But it's probably not Boxy Charm's fault. It's probably just in shipping.
Yeah.
So.
But if this video was fast enough for you, like all our videos, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to know about our future giveaways. Hopefully we'll be doing a fall one here soon, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.